guys, it's Johnny IT.
Do not disturb on.
How to enable RCS messaging on iPhones that are in iOS 18 and later. First, tap on Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Apps. Tap on Apps under the Settings page. Scroll all the way down until you see Messages. Tap on Messages, scroll all the way down until you see Text Messaging. If you do not see the option RCS Messaging, that means that your carrier might not be supported, or if it is supported, they need to push out a carrier update with Apple to support it in future updates. Tap on RCS Messaging if your carrier supports it. Toggle RCS messaging on. That's how to turn on RCS messaging on iOS 18 iPhones and later. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more Johnny IT videos.